Access our raffle platform at cryptoraffledraw.com. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Connecting. A pop-up from your Coinbase wallet will appear. Click on Connect. Note that the button now indicates that you are connected to the platform and displays the partial address of your wallet. Scroll down the page. Here you can view the ticket pagination. Scroll down the page again, you will see the Ticket Blocks section. Click on ticket number 1 and notice that it appears as selected, marked with a red X. On the right, you will see the payment dashboard. Note that, if you prefer, you can also manually enter the ticket number in the payment dashboard below. Scroll down the page. Click on the Buy One Ticket button. Wait for the processing. A pop-up from your Coinbase wallet will appear. Click on Confirm. Enter your 6-digit password. After the purchase is confirmed, raffle block number 1 will change from green to orange, displaying the partial address of your wallet, indicating that you now own that ticket. You'll see that your referral link was activated after the purchase. If you want, click Copy to share your referral link and start receiving commissions automatically in your wallet for every purchase made through your link. Below the payment panel, in the Purchase Tickets section, you will see the ticket number you just bought. Every time you connect your Coinbase wallet, you will be able to see all the tickets you have previously purchased. Congratulations on buying your raffle ticket quota on the Crypto Raffle Draw platform. Now just wait for the draw. Good luck!